Today I'm going to show you the best folding electric bikes for city commuting and perfect for everyday use. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. So let's get started. Number 1. Auloor Folding Electric Bike for Adults. Auloor Folding Electric Bike for Adults, 1000W peak motor 48V20Ah removable battery, 30 miles per hour 80 miles. 20-inch fat tires full suspension EBike, 7-speed all-terrain e-bike for commuting, camping and outdoors. Price $664. Motor and gears, 1000W brushless motor, 1500W peak, climbs 30-degree slopes, top speed 30 miles per hour, 7-speed Shimano gears. Battery, UL 2849 certified, removable. Up to 50 miles, throttle/80 miles, pedal assist. Recharges in 6 to 8 hours. Brakes and lights, dual disc brakes, bright headlight, auto brake tail light. Comfort, dual suspension plus adjustable shock absorbing seat for smoother rides. Tires, 20 inches by 4.0 inches puncture resistant fat tires, good grip on gravel, sand, snow. Foldable, 73 lbs, folds quickly, fits in car trunks/apartments/offices. Assembly and warranty, 90% pre-assembled, manual plus videos included, 365-day warranty. Number 2. Jasion X-Hunter Electric Bike for Adults. Jasion X-Hunter Electric Bike for Adults 1800W/1400W peak 20-foot fat tire foldable EBike, folding e-bike up to 80/70 miles range 720/624WH removable battery 30 mph e-bike certified by UL 2849. Price $699.99. Jasion X-Hunter e-bike, key specs. Motor, 1400W peak, brushless, 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, top speed 30 miles per hour. Battery, 48V13Ah removable lithium-ion, 55 to 70 mile range. Suspension, full suspension, 80mm front air fork plus rear shock. Foldable. Collapses to 33 inches by 16 inches by 30 inches, weighs 71 pounds. Features, LCD display, speed battery distance, disc brakes, LED lights, 3 riding modes, 7-speed gearing, 90% pre-assembled. Number 3. Narrak Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike. Narrak Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike, 48V and 624WH lithium removable battery, peak 1100W brushless motor, max speed 20 miles per hour, M5 large LCD display, suspension, step-over through frame. Price $640. Here's the Narrak electric folding fat tire bike summarized. Motor, 750W rear drive, 1100W peak, top speed 20 miles per hour. Battery, 48V13Ah, 624WH, lithium-ion. Frame, foldable step-through/over, front shock fork, weight capacity 280 pounds. Extras. Detachable luggage rack, aluminum saddle. Modes, for total, walk, throttle only, pedal assist, regular bicycle. Drivetrain brakes, Shimano 7-speed, dual 160mm disc brakes, hidden cables, brake power cutoff. Lighting, integrated LED head/tail lights. Support, US-based, LA, English and Spanish, phone support. Number 4. Jasion EBS Folding Electric Bike for Adults. Jasion EBS Folding Electric Bike for Adults, compact portable 20-inch fat tire bike with 1200W peak motor, 48V removable battery, 25 miles per hour 50 miles aluminum frame e-bike suitable for trunk, RV, apartment. Price $599. Here's the Jasion EBS electric bike summarized. Motor, 1200W peak, top speed 25 miles per hour. Battery, 48V removable, up to 50 miles range, PAS mode. Frame, foldable aluminum alloy, weighs 59 pounds, folded size 36 inches by 19 inches by 29 inches. Suspension. Front suspension fork only. Brake/safety, dual disc brakes, LED headlight, bell, rear reflector. Assembly, 90% pre-assembled. Positioning, marketed for RV trips, weekend getaways, compact/small space living. Number 5. Heybike Mars 3.0 Foldable Electric Bike. Heybike Mars 3.0 Foldable Electric Bike, UL 2849 certified, 70+ miles long range, 1400W 1800W peak motor 32 miles per hour, 624Wh removable battery, 20-inch *4 fat tire bike for snow, commute, full suspension. Price $1,079.10. Special feature 180mm dual hydraulic disc brakes adult electric bike, 20-inch X4. 0-inch foldable fat tires bike, 7-speed gears cruiser bike, adjustable seat, full suspension e-bike for adults electric 180mm dual hydraulic disc brakes adult electric bike, 20 inches by 4.0 inches foldable fat tires bike, 7-speed gears cruiser bike, adjustable seat, full suspension e-bike for adults electric. Heybike Mars 3.0 summarized. Motor, 1400W peak hub motor, 95 Nm torque, 0 to 20 miles per hour in 6 seconds, top speed 28 mph, 45 kmh. Battery. 48 V13 all lithium-ion, 55 to 70 mile range, 5 to 6 hour charge, IP65 waterproof, removable. Suspension, full suspension, hydraulic fork plus horselink rear. Frame, foldable aluminum alloy, 32 kilograms, 71 lbs, folds in tens, folded size 38.2 inches by 19.7 inches by 33.1 inches. Fit, adjustable seat handlebars for riders 4'11" 6'2". Drivetrain, Shimano 8-speed, 5 assist modes. Display, TFT color, sunlight readable. Brake safety, 180mm dual hydraulic disc brakes, 2mm thicker rotors. Headlight taillight turn signals, UL 2849 certified, anti-theft auto lock plus battery lock. Load capacity, up to 440 pounds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.